So this is Jonathan Skinner live from the Crandon Park tennis facility. I am sitting actually up in an umpire's chair, and I've got a really good vantage point of the stadium outside of the tennis courts. They're higher than you expect and take a little bit of negotiating to get into the chair. I must be about 3 or 4 meters above the ground, and it's a functioning stadium, but at the same time it's missing the Miami Open that used to be here for some 32 years. So to some extent it's not a ruin. It's not a location that is decrepit, something that Tim Edensor, cultural geographer, writes about in his book Industrial Ruins, where you make your own pathway through the landscape. It's still recognizable, it still has its shapes, it still has function, it still has level of maintenance, but at the same time it is not a stadium in the sense of the renovation of the Hard Rock Stadium, the investment, the modernization, the multifunction use, the portfolio of events from Beyonce to the Miami Dolphins to the baseball to the Miami Open to Formula One. Here you have a stadium that's quiet. Cars are parked, not many. People outside are sunbathing on the beach, taking in the natural environment, enjoying the parks and the waters. Saturday, 18th of March afternoon, probably about 30 degrees, sunny, cool, palm trees everywhere. So there is that tropical atmosphere, but it's not active as a tennis location as it was with the likes of our tennis heroes and heroines. And that's something then that makes it more of a memorial to the game than an active location where records are being set, where challenges are being made, where new champions are coming to fruition. So now we're going to explore the inside, and I will make another couple of notes, video notes.